English passage dictation at the speed of 120 words per minute. Start. It is again my pleasant privilege to welcome you all here for the annual meeting and to place before you the important aspects of the company's present working and future potentialities. The director's report has been in your hands for some time, from a perusal of which I should say that the company has had a satisfactory year of working. On the whole, the results have been better than last year, and the turnover in volume and in value has been the highest in the company's history. Para. The second stage of expansion for increasing our chemical production from 20 to 40 tons per day is making satisfactory progress, though the plant has not yet started production consequent on delays on the delivery of electrical and rectified plants. However, all the equipment has been either received at site or is in transit. Such equipment as has been received is being installed and tuned up. When this plant starts production, we will have installed a more economic unit which will be 8 times the original capacity with which the company start operations. Para, I have to invite your special attention to the further expansion scheme referred to in the report, which your directors consider will place the company in a competitive position and keep us abreast of development elsewhere in the years ahead. The stepping up of production of the chemical from 40 to 100 tons per day, the entire increase in production being of rayon grade quality is a necessary development for us during the fifth plan period, in which the production in the country is expected to reach 3 lakh tons as against the fourth plan target of 1 lakh tons. One important feature of our expansion will be that ours will be a full integrated plant utilizing all the co-product chlorine, quite beneficially contributing to the high profitability of our expanded plant. Para. Your directors are actively exploring ways and means of financing this third stage expansion in such a way that the dividend percentage is not materially affected during the period of our stepping up production. This would therefore involve our procuring both loan and share capital in suitably staggered stages depending on the progress of erection and construction. We shall place before you definite proposals with regard to the financing of this expansion scheme as soon as exact estimates are worked for the project, which it is hoped will be in the course of the current year. Para. As you are aware, the Industrial Finance Corporation of India have been of continuous assistance to this company in all its expansion projects from the very inception. In our recent discussion in connection with the present expansion, we have been assured of full financial cooperation in the implementation of the new project. Para. Since the close of the financial year, this company has had its share of electricity cuts